Welcome back, friends. Now I will discuss on the topic the mean. The mean have the three types: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. These three means are also called as the Pythagorean mean. Now, first one is the arithmetic mean. The average obtained by the arithmetically is called as the arithmetic mean. See, this one is the x bar called as the arithmetic mean. This is the summation. This one is the again the number of observation, and this is the number of observation. Okay. For the set of the positive numbers a1, a2, and like that of a number of a, then arithmetic mean is equal to the a1 plus a2 plus plus to the an up to the an and divided by the n. This is the equation of arithmetic mean for n number of observation. Then arithmetic mean of the n number of arithmetic mean of the two positive numbers like a and b. So arithmetic mean is the a plus b divided by 2. Now the examples of this arithmetic mean, this is the data 15432. This is the data. How many times? 5 times. So firstly we do the sum of the scores. Got the summation x near about 15. Then divide the sum. Summation x is equal to 15 divided by the number of scores. How many? 5. That is 5. Then 15 by 5 it gives the 3. So mean is 3. This for the positive numbers. Now for the negative numbers, same process carry. Sum of these numbers 3 minus 7 plus 5 plus 13 minus 2 is equal to 12. Then divide 12 by the 5 number, 12 divided by 5, because the 5 observation is equal to the 2.4. The mean is 2.1. For the this one is the positive observation and this one is the negative observations. Then next, geometric mean. Geometric mean is used for the geometric progression, and it is the nth root of the product of n items of observations or the series. See, for the observation of two numbers x1 and x2, then a geometric mean will be x1 into x2, product of x1 into x2 is to 1 by 2. So the geometric mean of n number of observation, then geometric mean is x1 into x2 into x3 up to the n number of x is to 1 by n. Then this 1 by n turns to the root, that is nth root. So geometric mean is n root of product of x1, x2 into the n number of observation. Got it? The next, how did you get the x is equal to the root ab? This is the mathematical theorem. See, this one is the short leg and this one is the long leg. Okay. Then by formula, short leg divided by the long leg is equal to the short leg divided by the long leg. That is a by x is equal to the x by b. Then do cross multiplication, that is x square is equal to the ab. Then square, transfer to the right side, then x is equal to the root ab. This geometric mean is obtained with the help of this theorem, that is x is equal to the root ab. For the n number of observation, the geometric mean is nth root of product of the a, so product of the observation, and for the two positive numbers like a and b, the geometric mean is the root of ab. Then example, the calculation of geometric mean is a very simple, very critical, but we do in a very simple manner. See, these are the observations 4, 32, 48 and 96. Then these observations put up in the equation, that is geometric mean is equal to the 4 into 32 into 48 into 96 is to the 1 by 4 and turns into the root 4. 4 root 4 into 32 into 48 into 96. Then these 4 split into their multiplication, that is 2 into 2 is 4. Then 32 again split into the 2 into 2 into 2. This same procedure carry for the 48 and 96. Then in this whole series, we found a number of 2's, and then fourth root. So we collect the four 2's in one form, that is 2:4 into 2:4 into 2:4 into 2:4, and two single 2 remaining into 2, then into how many 3, 1 and 2, then 3 square. Then remove this 4 from this series, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 1 2 here, then square is the turns to the root, okay, then 2 root 3, okay, this is the 2 root 3. Then calculate 32 root the 3, then answer is 55.42. What is the how to solve the geometric mean? This is the very critical, but we solve with the help of splitting of the number into their multiplications, okay. Then geometric mean of 2 and 8, geometric mean is equal to again root 2 into 8, again solve it, and and is geometric mean is found to be the 4. This is the calculation. The next one is the harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the given observation. Harmonic mean for the non-empty collections of the numbers x1, x2 and the number of observations, all are different from 0. All are different. Then it is the progression, arithmetic progression of x1, x2 and x3 up to the number of observation. Then the harmonic mean is 1 by x1, 1 by x2 and up to the 1 by xn, okay. Then this is the equation of harmonic mean is equal to n divided by n is the number of observation divided by the 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus up to the 1 by xn. Then turns into the smallest form, n divided by the summation I is equal to the 1:n 1 by xi. Here is the count of the values in the given set data set, and x1 and x2 each value from the data set. Then example calculation of the harmonic mean is very easy. A to B, speed of A to B from point A to B is 60. This is the first observation, and then B to A is 40. This is the second observation. Then 2 observation here. Then harmonic mean is equal to the 2 by 1 by 60 plus 1 by 80. Harmonic mean is found to be the 48 kilometer per hour. This is the simple example of the harmonic mean, and calculated with the simple by reciprocal of the arithmetic mean, by the equation of reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. Then inequality concerning arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. What is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to the geometric mean. Also same, geometric mean is greater than or equal to the harmonic mean. See in the last example of harmonic mean obtained is found to be the 48 kilometer per hour. Then arithmetic mean of this 2 observation, calculated the arithmetic mean with their equation. The arithmetic mean is also found as a 50. Then geometric mean with the equation, the geometric mean is approximately near about the 49, and then harmonic mean is equal to the 48 kilometer, near about the greater than and equal to. So inequality of the concerning arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to the geometric mean, and geometric mean is greater than or equal to the harmonic mean. Now, when to use the mean? You should use the mean when the data are interval or ratio scale. Then many people will use the mean with ordinary scale data too, and data are not skew. Okay, the mean is preferred because it is very sensitive to every square. But if you changed one score in a data set, the mean will change. The harmonic mean helps to find the multiplicative or divisor relationship between the fractions without worrying about the common denominators. This is about when to use the mean. Thank you for watching the video.